How to use BMO Global Asset Management app properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most people think BMO Global Asset Management app is just a platform to hold funds, but the surprising truth is beginners often make mistakes that reduce returns and increase risk. Here's how to use it properly. The app allows users to invest in BMO managed funds, track performance, and receive market insights. The first mistake is ignoring fund selection. Choosing funds without understanding objectives, fees, or risk can lead to poor performance. The second mistake is neglecting regular contributions. Many investors deposit sporadically, missing the benefits of compounding. Automating contributions ensures consistent growth over time. Another common error is lack of diversification. Investing heavily in one sector or fund exposes you to unnecessary risk, while spreading across multiple BMO funds balances growth and safety. Beginners also ignore analytics tools. The app provides performance metrics, asset allocation insights, and market updates. Neglecting these prevents informed decisions. Finally, failing to review and rebalance portfolios is a costly mistake. Market changes can shift your risk profile, and rebalancing ensures alignment with goals and objectives. Used correctly, BMO Global Asset Management app is more than a fund platform. It's a strategic investment tool. Select funds wisely, contribute consistently, diversify, monitor analytics, and rebalance regularly. Avoiding these mistakes maximizes long-term returns.